In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, remove or adjust margins on all pages. By the end, you'll know how to tighten up your document layout, remove extra white space, and apply consistent margins across every page. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, since that's where the cropping tools live. Once your file is open, go to the Tools panel and choose Edit PDF. A new toolbar will appear at the top. Click on Crop Pages. Your cursor will change so you can draw a selection box. Now, draw the crop area. Click and drag a rectangle around the content you want to keep, leaving out the margins you don't need. If the handles aren't perfect the first time, no worries. Drag them to fine-tune the edges. Zoom in for precision if needed. When you're happy with the selection, double-click inside that rectangle. This opens the Set Page Boxes dialog, where you can dial in exact values and apply the crop to your whole document. In the Set Page Boxes dialog, you'll see options that give you full control. Turn on Show All Boxes to display guides for Crop Box, Art Box, Trim Box, and Bleed Box. These are especially helpful for print workflows. For most on-screen or general-purpose cropping, you'll work with the crop box. Under Margin Controls, choose the box you want to set, then enter specific top, bottom, left, and right values to trim precisely. You can type exact measurements, and if you prefer equal margins all around, enable Constrain Proportions to keep the values synchronized. If your pages have big white borders, try Remove White Margins to automatically fit the crop to the visible content. This is a great time saver. Before applying, look for the page range or Apply to Area and choose All. This ensures the crop settings affect every page uniformly, not just the one you selected. It's a simple but critical step for multi-page documents. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the crop. Acrobat adjusts the page boxes without permanently deleting content, so you can revisit the crop later if needed. To keep your changes, save the PDF or use Save As to preserve the original and create a cropped version. That's it. You've just removed or adjusted margins across your entire PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.